Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So now into the previous video we have discussed about the selenium, right? So we discussed about the selenium that what are the different things which we are having out here in the selenium, and even we discussed about some features of selenium IDE, right? Okay. Now into this respective video today we are again gonna discuss out the benefits of the Selenium IDE. Okay, I'll be letting you know that what are the benefits of the Selenium IDE and why, like basically why Selenium IDE is used out a lot. Fine, this is the respective idea, and at last I'll be letting you know some limitations as well of the Selenium IDE. Okay. Great. So I would simply change out a color here, and after that we'll be good to go to proceed on with the things. And here we go with the benefits. Great. Right here, benefits. Okay. So I'll be now discussing about the benefits of the using of the Selenium IDE. The first one is that it provides you with the capability of automatically recording your test cases based upon the interactions with the browser. Now, recording up the test cases according to your browser, and that particular thing we already discussed previously in the definition, right? So that is one of the benefits which you're having. I would write that out, that it provides you the it provides you with the it provides you the capability of automatically recording your test cases based upon the interactions with the browser. Okay. So the Selenium IDE provides you the capability of automatically recording your test cases based upon the interactions with the browser. Okay. So this is the very first benefit which you are having of using the Selenium IDE. Next basically we are having that the operates on the basis of the rich set of commands. Okay, one second. Rich set of, and here goes rich set of commands which helps the IDE. Okay, let me get down. Operates on the basis of the rich set of commands which helps the IDE understand what needs to be done. Okay, so it operates under the basis of the rich set of commands which helps the IDE understand what needs to be done. Okay, so for that perspective we are having the different commands as well, some rich set of commands which allows you to do out that respective thing as well, right? Great. Now let's move towards the third point, benefit of using the Selenium IDE, and that perspective is that it allows the test developers. Great. So it allows out the test developers to set breakpoints for the purpose of debugging. One second. Allows the test developers to set breakpoints for the purpose of debugging particular debugging particular test cases. Okay, so it allows the test developers to set the breakpoints for the purpose of debugging the particular test cases. Right, so this is the benefit of using up the Selenium IDE which we are having out here. Okay, next we are having one more very important benefit, that is use of multiple locators. Okay, for multiple locators for each. One second. Great. So use of multiple locators for each element in the IDE ensures successful execution. Ensures successful execution. The use of multiple locators for each element in the IDE ensures the successful execution. Right, so this is the next benefit which we are having for the Selenium IDE. Right, so hope I'm very much clear with this particular thing, that what are the benefits of using the Selenium IDE. First is that it provides you the capability of automatically recording your test cases based upon the interactions with the browser. Secondly, it operates on the basis of the rich set of commands which helps the IDE understand what needs to be done. Then next, number 3, we are having that allows the test developers to set breakpoints for the purpose of debugging particular test cases. And the number 4 is that use of multiple locators for each element in the IDE ensures successful execution. Right, so hope I'm very much clear with these 4 points regarding the benefits of the Selenium IDE. And now let's discuss about some limitations of the Selenium IDE as well. So I would again take out one different color, let's say this one. And here goes the limitations. Right here. Fine. So what is the very first limitation? That it is not suitable. It is not suitable for testing. It is not suitable for testing the extensive data. So the very first limitation of the Selenium IDE is that it is not suitable for testing up the extensive data. Fine. Then number 2. Point number 2, we are having that connections with the database. Connections with the database cannot be tested. Okay, what are the connections are with the databases? Those particulars cannot be tested. Okay, next. Okay, point number 3. Point number 3 is that it cannot handle out the dynamic part of the web-based application. Let's say you are having out a web-based application, so it cannot handle up the dynamic part of that respective web-based application. Okay. Next, moving towards the point number 5. Point number 5, we are having that it does not support out the capturing of the screenshots on test failures. Okay. So in that, the Selenium IDE is one of the tools which actually does not support, or yeah, actually I would say support only. Which does not support capturing the screenshots on the test failures, right? And next limitation which we are having is that there is no feature available for generating the result reports. So you can't generate on the result reports as well, because there is no such feature which is present for generating the result reports. So these are some limitations which we have here for the Selenium IDE as well, right? So now let me just quickly go above for a short while and let's discuss that what are things that we have learned in the Selenium IDE. Okay. So first of all, for the Selenium IDE, we understood that IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. And what is Selenium IDE? It is a tool that a test case developer uses to develop the Selenium test cases. It is one of the easy to use tools. Okay, one second. Selenium IDE provides you with a GUI for easily recording your interactions with the website. Fine. One second. Great. Now, previously it was only available for Firefox, but now it is for the Google as well. So, features of Selenium IDE are speed control, run all, run, pause, slash resume, step, and a roll up. Benefits are that provides you with the capability of automatically recording your test cases based upon the interactions with the browser, operates on the basis of the rich set of commands, which helps the IDE understand what needs to be done, and it allows the test developers to set breakpoints for the purpose of debugging particular test cases. And the number four, we are having the use of the multiple locators for each element in the IDE ensures out the successful execution. And moving forward with the limitations that we already saw today. Right? So hope I'm very much clear with this particular regarding the Selenium IDE, limitations, benefits, advantages, and what it is used for, right? So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.